this is a very big one. It's the laundry basket. Yes, you can see about this one clearly. For this main material, yes, it's composed by the top part rush and the bottom part cone, and also we use the rush and the handle, and we add the triangle blank rope to decorate the whole basket. This kind of two-tone laundry also sells very popular. So I will measure the size for your easier reference. This is the large one with round shape. Top diameter 37. Total height without handle 39. With handle 47 centimeters. And the bottom part 37 centimeters. Actually, if you only want to buy the single one, actually you can shrink the bottom size to make the basket stacked or nested one by one to save your container space. Let's move to the medium one. Top diameter 31 centimeters. Height without handle 33. With handle 41 centimeters. About the bottom part 32 centimeters. Let's move to the smaller one. Top diameter 27. Height 30 to 38 centimeters. About the bottom part 27 centimeters.